Okay, two questions. So let's start with the first question. What is virtual assistance? VA. VA means virtual assistance, also known as online jobs, also known as remote work. And when you say VA, like V meaning virtual, meaning pag sinabi mong virtual, from home, anywhere, remotely. Hindi ka, wala ka, it doesn't necessarily mean like you are in front of your client. It can be in an office setting, but you're not in front of your client, 'di ba? When you say assistant, you're a secretary, right? When you combine it, it's like you're like a virtual secretary, right? Like you're a virtual assistant. So like ang goal mo is to be able to provide services sa clients mo, and what type of services? Iba-iba. May mga nasa general admins, meron nasa creatives, marketing, iba-iba. It's very wide. The umbrella is really spreading as bigger talaga, like as the year goes by. Parang dati konti lang na niche, ngayon parang oh my gosh,
Ilan na?
may funnel designer na, may iba-iba na siya. So as people specialize and set up skills on a yearly basis, talagang lalong dumadami yung mga specializations. Dumadami. Kaya naguguluhan ng mga tao kasi paano ba ka magsisimula? Ang dami na. Saan
Agree.
ba ako nag-fit? Ganyan. So like,
Mm.
really it's that your role, you're an online secretary, your role is to provide services to your clients, and in whatever kind of way, kung anong type of service man ang pinoprovide mo.